Hi everyone, my name is Casey McMullen. I am currently enrolled in medical social work due to deferring my field placement until May. Um, and I am really looking forward to this course because I've realized upon our group signups and just thinking about it more deeply that I do not know that much about medical social work. I think there's other areas that have long stoked my interest, and that's why I'm in this program. But I am realizing how much I have to learn, and that makes me look forward to it all the more. And I'm curious to see if I end up feeling even maybe inclined to take my career in this direction after this course. We'll see, but I will be completing my field placement, my first field placement, beginning in May, and that's at a mental health and drug addiction agency. It's an outpatient facility, and I'll be learning the ins and outs of everything there is to know as far as intake and counseling and all of the above. Um, so despite having to defer for the time being, I am really looking forward to it when I start in May. Um, what I'm hoping to take away in this course is just really just learning about things that I honestly have no knowledge of yet. Um, I just think that it's easy to probably think of a hospital and a social worker working in a hospital, and I just think that there is a lot to it that I don't know yet, and I'm looking forward to diving in with everyone. Thank you for listening.